Left and right work pretty well in specific circumstances, when the data is structured very cleanly with a certain number of characters. If you want to separate city and state, you've got to do a little more work. The first thing that will be helpful is figuring out exactly where the city and state split. Since it will be different for each row, we have to use a function that will find the comma and identify how far into the record it is. Position allows you to specify a substring, then it returns a numerical value equal to how far away from the left that particular character appears. You can also use the string position function, which is annotated as strpos, to achieve the same results. Just replace in with a comma and switch the order of the string and the substring. Importantly, both the position and string position functions are case sensitive. If you want to look for a character regardless of its case, you can make the entire string upper or lowercase. You can use lower to force every character in a string to become lowercase. Similarly, you can use upper to make all the letters appear as uppercase. Let's complete the loop and pull just the city out into its own field. We can do this by nesting the position inside a left function. As you can see, what we really want isn't the full text up to the position of the comma. We want to end one position before the comma so that it's not included in our city column. We can do this by subtracting 1 within the left function.